Hi there. Today we want to share this session on the problem of losing control over information, especially when it is in digital format. Throughout the presentation, we will introduce in this area with the losing information problem, and then we will explain the Drainware approach to address this problem. Drainware is a Spanish company based in Madrid. Here are working various security consultants and researchers within the group. We have a team of programmers who have developed a proprietary technology content analysis. Moving on, in a company, the information is flowing through different channels to different destinations. We can find legitimate information, such as we share with colleagues and partners, but recovered from cloud services. We can also find consumer information, for example, when users access to the social network, or dishonest traffic information for external threats that attempt to perform a data exfiltration. Depending on the circumstances, we will finish in three main stages. In a first scenario, unconscious user could publish confidential information directly to the internet without being aware of it. In another scenario, a user could be economically motivated to steal valuable information. Finally, there is a scenario in which attackers get access from outside the organization, taking advantage of security flaws to exfiltrate sensible information. In fact, this type of attack caught by surprise to most companies, as we have seen on the headlines of major newspapers, is basically for lack of a security strategy in this regard. Less than half of companies have a strategy, but even if they got one, they might not be adequate. These threats are increasing dramatically. And this issue is concerning institutions to develop policies to address this problem. Nowadays, there are several regulations specified for different sectors such as banking, healthcare, financial. All these problems and needs have motivated us to work to provide a solution for the market. Drainware has developed a technology to prevent information leaks, allowing control information in all its states. Moving data across the network, resting stored in a database, running when a program makes use of it. Analyze the information flow to reach the contents through different layers, depending on the nature of content, will make the required actions depending on the policy set. A very important feature of Drainware TLP is our endpoint for Microsoft Windows. We can analyze the contents of desktop applications in addition to controlling the content that is copied to mobile, storage, music devices, printed, typed, or even those who are captured by the user making a screenshot. Our platform also has a mail filtering module. This mail filtering module will analyze all the messages and attachments that are sent, and according to the policies set by the company, they will be allowed or not. Furthermore, the security manager will dispose of all the events that have been triggered. To look up the most dangerous events, Drainware offers the possibility to customize the severity level of data elements to trigger an action, block, alert, or lock. Many employees use corporate laptops with sensible information. The theft of these can be harmful. With Drainware, these devices can be tracked. Using Drainware TLP, we can track Microsoft Office documents that can be edited and shared in your corporation. We will collect information on who has shared, edited, or viewed. We think it's necessary for your corporation some modules that add an extra layer of security to your network. Web filter, HTTP antivirus, anti-phishing, to ensure critical services operations, in addition to other features like ad blocking to improve workers' productivity and a powerful user management. We use scalable and able technologies to grow up within your company infrastructure at the lowest possible cost. It is also available a virtualized edition for different platforms. Thanks for your attention. You can contact us on drainware.com.